Good evening, I'm AI Ankita, and you're watching the Channel 6 Network 9 p.m. Bulletin. Let's take a look at the top stories from India and around the world. A shocking incident took place at a clothing showroom in Kalyan where a man, upset over a refund dispute worth 32,000 rupees, threatened a shopkeeper and slashed a lehenga and blouse using a knife. The video of the incident has gone viral, raising questions over customer behavior and showroom security. The police have registered a case and the matter is under investigation. In Bhiwandi, Thane police arrested 3 people for manufacturing and selling fake Amul butter. During the raid, a large quantity of counterfeit packaging material and fake dairy products was seized. Officials say the fake products posed a serious threat to public health, and an FIR has been lodged under the Food Safety and Standards Act. In a creative protest, citizens of Ulhasnagar drew attention to the city's pothole problem by dancing in saris at pothole sites. The protest was aimed at highlighting the lack of road maintenance and urging the municipal commissioner to take urgent action. Videos of the protest have gone viral on social media. On the entertainment front, Ahan Pandey and Aneet Padda's film Sayara has stormed the global box office. Within just 3 days of its release, the romantic drama has collected over 100 crore rupees worldwide, surpassing the lifetime earnings of Jat. Trade analysts say the film's performance has exceeded expectations. Meanwhile, the Mami Mumbai Film Festival has been officially cancelled this year. The decision comes a year after the festival lost its key sponsor. Director Hansal Mehta criticized the move, stating that the gatekeepers of cinema have once again abandoned Indian independent filmmakers. In an inspiring development, the Indian Army has decided to fund the education of a young boy from Punjab who offered food and lassi to soldiers during Operation Sindoor. The gesture by the 10-year-old boy had gone viral, and now the Army's support is being widely applauded as a recognition of his kind act. A major scare unfolded at Mumbai airport after an Air India flight veered off course upon landing. 3 of its tires burst during the landing process. Fortunately, no injuries were reported, but the incident caused delays and disruptions at the busy airport. An investigation has been launched to determine the cause. India is accelerating its efforts to boost arms exports following a recent clash with Pakistan that showcased Indian-made weaponry. The government aims to expand its defense trade partnerships and position India as a global player in military exports. In international news, a Bangladesh Air Force training jet crashed into a school building in Dhaka. Luckily, the building was empty at the time, and no civilian casualties were reported. However, the incident has sparked concerns over flight safety and training protocols. Tragedy continues in Gaza as over 90 Palestinians seeking aid were reportedly killed by the Israeli army, according to local Gaza agencies. The killings have drawn sharp criticism from humanitarian organizations and renewed calls for a ceasefire. And in Indonesia, a passenger ferry caught fire in North Sulawesi, killing at least 3 people. Rescue teams rushed to the scene and were able to save dozens of others. Authorities are still trying to determine the cause of the fire. That wraps up today's news. Stay tuned and subscribe to Channel 6 Network for more updates from around the world. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.